Hey guys, an update on energy fields. I'm gonna do this one together with UAC because with UAC I was talking about, yeah, we're not seeing any range here in this move, so I'm labeling this one as an internal wave 4 and it's looking, yeah, good for now. We want to see this fifth wave unfold, okay? With then thinking about this, and if we look at the, yeah, Kazakhstani, or how you say it, the country Kazakhstan, okay, their largest uranium miner, the stock has just been on a absolute screamer here, okay? I think this one is even leading UAC and energy fields with how steep this is going. Daily RSI is at 87. Uranium spot price as well then. I don't know if you have already got data for today. But yesterday, yeah, we reached 91. Today there is no data yet, but it keeps climbing, okay? With that in mind, maybe for energy fuels, I'm gonna have to label this as an internal wave 4 and now is fifth wave still in this larger third wave. I was doubting this yesterday because of this here. I just don't know how to count this as a finished correction in here. We don't have any range in here. If we did get it, maybe I could say, okay, maybe A, B, C, and then inside your C wave a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But yeah, you get why I was worried a little bit more yesterday. Today I'm a little bit more confident. Of course, I also did play it pretty good. I did catch it exactly before it dropped. Look at my video. It was like a few minutes before the drop happened. I sold a little bit there, not all my position. I bought a little bit back here. So I'm good with the position now. And for me, it can now drop. I'm okay. I have like made a good trade here. If price now drops, I'm not gonna be with that secondary position in a large loss, okay? And my core position is from all the way down from last year, so I'm not stressing, I'm not worried, but it's just, yeah, I was looking for this larger correction mainly because of this year. Of course, that can still happen. We are still not out of the woods here. Of course, if this now pushes and reaches here, yeah, you can't know exactly which scenario we are in because a B wave can also overshoot up until here. And your wave 5 target box starts at the same level. So if this now pushes, of course, I'm going to label it wave 5 rather than a wave B because it would be nicer to get this internal structure complete then. And then we will start again, try to look for a correction. But for now, I'm just putting this here. Watch this area here, 26.45. If we fail to go above, we can still go down. I will add a box here for wave C then, and we might still be in this wave 4. I'm gonna label it the internal wave 4 for now, not this wave 4 yet, because of what I said, UAC and the other stock and uranium spot price in general, okay? One more thing, the trend line here, okay? We stayed here nicely above it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like a lot of grinding above it here. And that's it, I think. So yeah, you can see the micro getting it exactly right. It's not so easy, okay? Sometimes just zooming out is better. That's why today I'm changing a little bit again. I zoomed out, I looked at like all of the different uranium stocks together, and it makes a little bit more sense like this as well. Of course, what I said yesterday is still there. That wick to the downside still looks like a B wave, so it can break down, okay? But even then, I think it makes sense to label it first as this internal wave 4 still, rather than already going to this larger wave 4, okay? Because as you can see, we never had really a range. Now we are getting it a little bit here internally. That's it. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching and yeah, I'll keep you updated tomorrow. Bye bye.